The last voice assistant we're working with today is Siri. To link DroneMobile and Siri, we'll be using Siri Shortcuts. From the voice assistance page, in your DroneMobile settings tab, select Siri Shortcuts. From here, you'll see a list of suggested commands. Let's try a couple. Hey Siri, unlock my ride.
Ready to do it?
Yep. Hey Siri, pop the trunk on my ride.
Okay. Done. My ride successfully executed trunk.
You can customize these commands based on what you want to say and what you'd like the command to do. This is simple to do. When you set up the command, you can edit the trigger here and tap the action below to swap it out with another action. With Siri Shortcuts, you can automate some of your favorite commands. Automation is easily customizable, so the possibilities are nearly endless. Today, I'll share just one of many ways you can set up automation. In times when I'm commuting to the office, there are several tasks I like to complete 15 minutes before I head out. Check the weather, remote start my car, and check the traffic conditions. By setting up all of these Siri Shortcuts automations, I'll receive the prompt at a specific time or place, and that action will be sent automatically. You can even set this prompt up for a predicted time if you leave at the same time each morning. To set this up, you go to the Shortcuts app and click the Automations tab to create personal automation. From here, you can choose the trigger for this automation. We'll add the action to remote start the car by searching for DroneMobile and adding the remote start command. From here, you can add the actions to get the weather and check for traffic conditions. You can also choose whether or not you want to confirm the automation each day. That's all we have for today. We hope you enjoyed the video and you try out some of these commands for yourself. Let us know what your favorite commands are in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.